Are you new to planning school assemblies? Have you just been nominated as the assembly coordinator for your school? Are you new to the assemblies cultural arts position in your PTA? If you are new to planning school assemblies, we have a few tips to help you successfully execute your new role and achieve your goals. Because who doesn't want to create the best assembly experience possible for your students? Tip number 1, know exactly what you are responsible for. Are you supposed to be the one finding all the programs to choose from, or will other committee members do that too? Once you choose a program, will you be responsible for showing up, meeting the presenter beforehand, and then sending them off afterward? Or is there already a representative at your school that will be appointed to do that? Who has the final say about which programs you bring in? Is it the principal, the counselor, the teachers, the executive board of your PTA? Know who you are working with and what they're looking for too. Tip number 2, find out what the expectations are. Can you choose whichever program you think is great? Is there a topic that the teachers already have their hearts set on? Whether it's music, arts, math, science, or otherwise, knowing what you're supposed to be looking for can help save you some time. Are you expected to plan 10 different assemblies with a budget that could really only be for about 1 or 2 assemblies? What dates are available? Check with the school to make sure that you know what dates are available and what dates are not. What about the time of day? Some schools can only schedule programming for the mornings and others can only have it in the afternoon. Some prefer to have one morning show and one afternoon show. Also know what grade levels will be attending. Some programs that might be great for elementary students would not work as well for middle school students and vice versa. Could the single program that you choose tailor the content for younger kids and older kids? Where will the presentations be held? Do you have a cafeteria, gymnasium, auditorium? What are the space requirements and the sound system needs of the programs that you're looking at? Will they fit in your venue? Can something be modified to fit your space? Who at the school knows about the sound system and setup requirements that can help the presenter on the day of? These are all things that you need to have the answers to before you schedule. Something else that is important is to focus on quality. Advocate for the highest quality programs that you can find, even if they are not the least expensive. Sometimes quantity is not better than quality when scheduling motivating and inspiring programs for your students. It might be better to have 2 or 3 outstanding programs versus 9 or 10 mediocre presentations. Get references or look at reviews when available for the programs that you're thinking about presenting to your students. Lots of presenters and assembly companies like ours will provide these upon request if they're not already available on their websites. Choose presentations with strong reputations. Ask around to other schools about what experiences they have had with the programs that you're considering. Another important tip: what is your budget? This is probably the first thing that you need to find out where the funding is coming from. Is the PTA paying, the school, the district, a combination? Who do you need to send the invoice to? What are the policies for payment from the assembly company? Will you need to get a purchase order? Final tip: work with us at Academic Entertainment. We have been doing this for more than 25 years. We strive to represent the very best in school assemblies and educational entertainment nationwide. Our presenters are quality people offering fantastic shows. We specialize in finding the very best talent there is available. Our programs are unique, educational, entertaining. In other words, they are outstanding. We look for hardworking people that are genuine and have a strong message to share while keeping your students intrigued and entertained. We are here to help you if you are new to the assembly planning process. Give us a call, send us an email. or fill out and submit the request information form on our website. You will be able to feel confident that a program from Academic Entertainment is the best there is.